Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, and we have another problem. Okay, a solid sphere of mass 10 kilogram and radius 2.5 meter rolls on a horizontal plane with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Okay, there's some more data. The value of its total kinetic energy. So it is very important that what is total kinetic energy will be in this case. Don't do it half mv square. So let's draw the picture first. So there is a solid sphere. So this sphere has some properties given that the mass of the body m equals to 10 kilogram and the radius is given, that is r equals to 2.5 meter, and we will go a theory and also a trick to solve this type of problem. Okay, when you will be asked that what is total kinetic energy, and there will be a trick. So let's have the trick. Let's have the theory first and then the trick. So this is rolling. The fact is this is rolling. So there is an omega. Okay, and it's also translating. So there is a translation motion too. So there are two type of motion. So kinetic energy term have two terms. One is for rotation and one is for translation. So I am writing translation plus rotation. Okay, two type of kinetic energy, and we will discuss it very carefully. Calculation will be there. Translation is half m v square plus half I into omega square. So what will be the results? So omega is v by r. This is a very important formula, though it looks like very simple, but it's an important formula. Half mv square and plus half I. Okay, I am leaving I, and omega square gives us v square by r square. I am taking half mv square out of the box. Okay, where is the box? This is the box. So this is 1 plus and half v square, and there is I. Okay, I have taken a extra m from here, so we have to. Okay, this is our total kinetic energy. Okay, so you have to remember the formula also, that this is our total kinetic energy, and when you will be asked, if you remember this, just put I and you will done. So in this case, what will be the I? Okay, this is a solid sphere. So in case of solid sphere, in case of solid sphere, you will put I equals to 2 by 5 m r square. Okay, so I by m r square gives you just 2 by 5. Oh, that's an easy one. You don't have to calculate all the values. Just if you calculate I m r square and put all the values are given here, and you do some mathematics, but you will get this one. So you don't need to calculate all the things. Half m is given into 10 into v square. V is given also. What is the v? 10 meter per second. Okay, I did not write it. 10 meter per second. Okay, so it is 10 square and 1 plus 2 by 5. So this is very easy calculation. You know, if you have the very easy calculation, it is 10 to the 3, and this is into 7 by 5. Okay, so this gives us 10 to the power cube, and there is 5 and 2, so there is another 10 into 7. So this is 10 square into 7, that is 700, and the unit will be the joule. So what will be the answer here? Okay, there is 700. Okay, this is our answer.